Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we are making herbed quinoa and shrimp bowls. They're packed with protein, fiber, and delicious with a bright lemony dressing and just slightly wilted arugula. These lovely bowls start by combining vegetable broth and quinoa. Bring to a simmer, cover, and cook for about 15 minutes. Remove from the heat and allow to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before fluffing with a fork. And while the quinoa is cooking, it's a great time to mix together the herbaceous bright lemon dressing. It starts with chopped parsley, fresh dill, minced garlic, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, olive oil, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. And give it all a good mix. Next, you'll season your shrimp lightly with salt and pepper. Heat olive oil in a medium skillet. Once hot, add a sliced shallot and minced garlic. Sauté for a few minutes until starting to soften. Add in the shrimp and cook for about 2 minutes aside. Once cooked, add the warm quinoa, arugula, and about half of the dressing. Toss to combine over low heat until the arugula is slightly wilted. Spoon into serving dishes and drizzle each with the remaining dressing and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Today's herbed quinoa and shrimp bowls are bright, lemony, packed with herbs, protein, and fiber. They're a great addition to your weekday lineup. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.